Gardening offers seniors a fantastic way to stay active without the impact of traditional workouts. When you dig into the soil, you are engaging your whole body, from your legs and core to your arms and shoulders. This movement is excellent for building functional strength that helps with everyday tasks like carrying groceries or getting out of a chair. Planting flowers or vegetables involves repeated motions like squatting, bending, and reaching. These actions improve flexibility and balance over time. Stronger legs and a more stable core are key to preventing falls, making each session in the garden a valuable step towards safer independent living. Weeding might seem tedious, but it is a fantastic form of resistance training. Each time you pull a stubborn plant, you are working your forearm muscles, biceps, and even your back. The constant gripping and twisting also enhances hand dexterity and coordination, which is crucial for maintaining fine motor skills as we age. Carrying a watering can provide a gentle weight-bearing exercise that is essential for bone health. The walking involved, especially if you have a larger garden, adds up to a steady cardiovascular workout. This consistent, low-impact movement helps lower blood pressure and improves circulation without stressing the joints. Beyond the physical benefits, gardening counters stress and anxiety. Being outdoors and connecting with nature has a proven calming effect on the mind. The focus required for planting seeds or tending to a plant shifts attention away from daily worries, providing a natural mental reset. Completing a gardening task, like harvesting your first tomato or seeing a flower bloom, gives a powerful sense of accomplishment. This boost in self-esteem fights feelings of isolation and depression that can sometimes affect seniors. The visible results of your work provide daily motivation and a positive outlook. Experts consider gardening to be moderate intensity exercise, meaning it raises your heart rate and makes you breathe harder. Doing it for just 30 minutes a day can significantly improve your overall fitness. You are essentially getting a full-body workout while creating a beautiful, productive space you can enjoy. Make it safe, focus on proper form. Lift with your legs, use kneeling pads to protect your knees, and take regular breaks. The key is to listen to your body and adapt tasks as needed. With a little care, gardening can be a lifelong, rewarding activity that keeps both body and mind healthy and vibrant.